Hi, Earth Angels. Yes, I have your numbers. And, today it's like, okay, it's winter, but for the last 3 days, it's been like sunny, 65, 70, and we're just enjoying, the warm weather. Of course, you already know. Any moment, it'll be the, shivering snow and ice and all of that. And I was talking to this lady, and we were talking about Christmas and spending it, with the ones you love and everything. And well, the one man, when he was talking about how, their Christmas one year was bad because their relatives tried to upset everyone and make their season, Christmas miserable. And I was just saying how people, they'll show you their true colors, just give it time. And sure enough, yeah, he said, yeah, they really did. So he was talking about this year, he's just not, including them in it, not doing it. It's best to, it's just not just about presents, and it's about giving and sharing love with those who you love and who love you. Makes sense. So, yeah. I mean, who wants to come to dinner and it's, family involved or whoever that is, you know, making it miserable? It's just completely uncalled for. So, to the angel numbers. I didn't look, but I've been seeing 29 all day. I know, right? 29. Why that number? I don't know. Earth angels, I'm about to look at it. I know. Have you had any idea what do you think your angels is trying to say with the number 29? I mean, I'm even trying to remember when I was 29. And I want to give my age. We're about to find out. Because I didn't check it before. Lots of times I'll check the number before giving you the message. Okay. Oh, gosh. I know. Don't hold your breath. I'm holding my breath, and then you start getting those heart palpitations because you're unconsciously holding your breath. Okay. Okay. All right. 29. The message from your guardian angels. Center. Hold on to your purpose. When the swirling forces of life distract you, remember what your goals are. You have a reason to be here and focus on that. Lie down and place your hands on your solar plexus chakra just above your navel. Oh gosh, I don't know. Okay. Just above your navel. And repeat this mantra. I have a purpose. I have a purpose. Earth angels, you have a purpose. this was meant to be tonight, to tell you. Wow. So that was the message for you tonight, Earth Angels. 29. You have a purpose. If you're seeing that number, it's center. Hold on to your purpose. And make your cameo appearance. Absolutely. All right. This was for you, Earth Angels, to uplift you and inspire you. So you have a beautiful night.